got tickets to meet them, Patrick. I thought they were going to be completely sold out.
I know, it's crazy. The last meet and greet we went to for Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy, there was like no one there.
That's a lot of people. Oh man, we're gonna get no time to talk when we finally meet them.
We could just, skip the line?
What? I can't just skip the line. What kind of monster are you, Patrick, that you would even let such an evil thought cross your mind?
You're so overdramatic. People skip lines all the time. You think any of these people wouldn't skip us if we were standing in front of them?
Maybe. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll be nice to you.
Of course we are. We're always super stoked to meet fans.
So cool. We can get a great picture together.